Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share about subject-verb agreement, which is very important for everyone. First, let us see what is subject, part of the sentence where we chiefly focus. Noun or noun phrase is receiver or the doer of the action. Now let us see what is predicate. Predicate is the remaining part of the subject with the verb. Error of proximity. Rule number 1. Two or more singular nouns joined by and require a plural verb. For example, I like to eat pasta and hot dog. Rule number 2. But if two nouns are joined by and, refer to the same person or thing or suggest same idea, to the mind the verb is singular. For example, he is a singer and an actor. Rule number 3. When two phrases are joined with as well as, beside, together with, in addition to and not only and other expression, the verb agrees with the first subject. For example, diamond as well as gold is precious. Rule number 4. With either or neither nor. Take singular verb with singular subject, plural verb with plural subject. When they differ in number, then the verb agrees with the closest subject. For example, neither my parents nor my sister knows this. Rule number 5. Either, neither, each, every, everyone are followed by a singular verb. Example, everyone has to participate. Rule 6. Nouns qualified by each and every require a singular verb. Example, each and every student has to study. Rule 7. If two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb agrees with the subject which is closest to it. Example, not only hot dog but also burger is tasty. Rule number 8. When subject begin with one of, it is followed by a singular verb. For example, one of the student is not here. Rule 9. When a subject begin with a number of, it takes a plural verb. When it begin with the number of, it takes a singular verb. Example, the number of COVID cases has decreased. Rule number 10. Nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take singular verbs. For example, economics is an interesting subject. Rule 11. Plural nouns which represent the name of country, province, books or movie take singular verbs. For example, US has an excellent army. Rule 12. Collective nouns generally takes a singular verbs, but we use plural verbs when we use nouns which are naturally understood as separate components. Nouns with no singular, they represent a group or a number of objects. Together, this also applies for pairs. For example, the bunch of keys is with me. Rule 13. We use singular verb when we use distance, weights, period of time, sum of money, so on. Example, $2 is a low price. Rule 14. The word none can mean both, not one, not any. So it either take plural or singular. For example, none of the students are absent. Rule 15. In nouns which are same in plural form and singular form, we use plural or singular. Example, I saw 2 deer in the forest. Rule 16. When we use there or here, you have to look at the word to decide if the verb is plural or singular. For example, here is a chocolate for you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. So see you all in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.